y'all, the time has come once again to do a braid takedown. I'm so tired right now, it's not even funny, but it's about that time. I have to wash my hair. Like, where's my parts? I believe it's been 2 or 3 months, honestly. I lost track. I'm not even gonna hold you, I lost track. It's been 2 or 3 months. It looks like it's been 5. But y'all, the new growth once again is always crazy. Like, I can't even see my parts, y'all. Like, y'all know how this go. Y'all know how this go. This is, I done did this video so many times. Like, y'all know how this video go. Like, y'all know the back always look crazy. Like, I honestly don't even know how the back look, but your girl hair is matted. Nah, it's not matted. I haven't seen my hair literally the last time I washed it. So, you guys know in this video, we're going to do a braid down. We're going to wash it. And I'm going to also do a length check. And also, I'm going to be using my tea rinse spray from Reese Remedies. You guys know I live by her products. I love, love, love. It has never treated my natural hair wrong. I'm not going to do much talking. I'm tired. So let's just get to it, because this is about to take forever. It's 7 o'clock right now. Let's see what time I finish my hair. So yeah, that didn't take long at all. As you can see, my puff is clearly big as hell, y'all. I don't think my puff ever been this big. So just know your girl hair grew. I cannot wait to do a length check to see how long my hair got. But just by the looks of it, the hair is giving inches. It really speeds up the detangling process for me. Y'all, I used to be sitting here detangling my hair for almost an hour. And for any of my new viewers, if you're gonna suggest me to detangle my hair when it's wet, y'all, it doesn't work for me. This is what I use. This tea rinse spray. And this literally, you guys saw how matted my roots were. And as soon as I sprayed this on it, like I spray a lot. Like I spray a good amount. And then after, I start with the ends. I start combing the ends. And as I go up, by the time I go up, it's really soft. Like, y'all, my hair is so dirty. But I love this tea rinse spray. So this is how much hair came out. Honestly, I'm surprised because it's not really a lot. Like, you guys know I've had worse. But this is how much hair came out. It's not really bad at all. This is not bad at all. So I'm about to go wash my hair. Let me get a thumbnail real quick. And the afro is afroing. I don't think my afro ever been this big. You guys know I love Aussie Moist. So I'm gonna be using a shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm gonna deep condition my hair. You guys know I leave my braids in for like 3-4 months tops. So I'm gonna always deep condition my hair. I always deep condition when I'm about to straighten my hair and after I straighten my hair. Just bring some, some loving back to the hair or whatever. So I'm about to go wash my hair, and I'll be back on camera showing you guys what I use for my deep conditioning process. My hair is washed. Wash days are becoming my least favorite. My least favorite. But this is how it looks. No product in it, no nutting. So right now right now I'm about to go ahead and deep condition my hair. And you guys know I deep condition my hair all the time with silicone bamboo mix. It's either this or it's hair mayonnaise, but I believe African's best, if I'm not mistaken. But I haven't used hair mayonnaise in a long time, so silicone mix. That's why I always have to buy the big jar, because when it comes to deep conditioning, I literally put a lot of product because I want to make sure my hair, you know, is real good. I want to make sure I'm really treating my hair good. Also, I barely had any conditioner, so my hair was honestly feeling like, you guys know shampoo makes your hair really feel like kind of dry. So my hair was feeling somewhat dry, so I really went in and I put a lot of silicone mix. I'm going to let this sit, honestly. It's 9 o'clock, y'all. It's already been 2 hours since I detangled and washed my hair. What the heck? Time just went by mad quick. But I'm going to leave this in for about 30 minutes because I should go under my dryer. I have a dryer just so, you know, my hair could really get some loving. I feel like it's been 3 months and I haven't touched my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for about 30 minutes. I'm going to go wash that out. I'm going to come back, show you guys how different the curls look from when I just came back. Because, y'all, it's going to be a difference. You guys are going to see a difference in my curls after I do the deep conditioning. Then I'm going to do a limb check for you guys. And I believe that's going to be it for this video. I don't know. I'm kind of going to do a braid out. But I don't want my braid out to get messed up because I go to the gym and I don't want it to get messed up. So I don't know. We'll see by the end of this video. Y'all will not believe what time it is. It is 12 o'clock, y'all. It is 12 o'clock. That silicone mix sat in my hair for 3 hours. It was 9 o'clock when I put it in my hair, y'all. It is now 12 o'clock. I'm beyond tired. It took that long because I had to feed my son and put him to sleep. Me show y'all my hair. I'm not doing nothing else in this video. I'm gonna show you guys my hair because, oh my god, me washing it out just now, it staying in for 3 hours was worth it because my hair was braided up for 3 months. So it was definitely worth it. It felt so good. My curls is OD defined. My brows is looking so good right now. Oh my god. But my curls are OD defined. It feels so soft. So after I show you guys this and give you guys a limb check, I'm gonna put it up in a bun and go to sleep. Let's see how it's looking. See, y'all, the curls look, yo, I love the way my curls look after a deep condition. Like, my hair, my scalp is squeaky clean. Squeaky, that's sad. I got like a natural middle part, but my scalp is squeaky clean. So this is how it's looking after the deep condition, and it feels so soft. Yeah, I just wish my hair could stay like this with no product. Like, it probably could. It definitely could. Y'all, look at this with no product in my hair. Look how good this looks. Like, I would def rock my hair. All I gotta do is probably like just throw some water and like maybe a little sun at the top. But I would definitely rock my hair like this. That's why I'm gonna put it in like I was saying a peanut bun. What y'all call that? A pineapple. I'm tired. Yeah, so let me give you guys a limb check. Make sure you guys can see. Okay, my curls. Yeah, my hair definitely grew because it's really giving right now. Like, it's really giving. Okay. Limb check time. So I don't remember what my hair was the last time I did a limb check. If anything, I'm gonna go back to that video, screenshot it, and put it side by side. Okay. Oh yeah, we back. Yeah, okay. We definitely back to tailbone length. Yeah, I thought it was gonna take forever to get back here, but I'm back, baby. I'm back and I'm better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what natural hair videos you guys want to see, because while the summer is here still, I want to rock my natural hair because in the winter time I can't wear my hair and walk outside. Summertime was the perfect time to just walk out with a wash and go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the other 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.